this season is 0 for 1. And Anisimov gets the word. Here he comes. The big rangy centerman, 2 assists. Here tries to beat Ward and gets the right pad out of it.
Good save by Ward. Anisimov here. That's a pretty good speed coming in. Head up the whole way. Tries to shift Ward. Tries to drag him to the right side of the net and bring the puck back to the left. But Ward did not fight.
Victor Rask will be the next shooter for Carolina. He is 1 for 4. 25%. He has a game-deciding goal. Rask also with his 9th goal here. A power play goal. Moves in. Denied. The right pad of Bobrovsky.
Very quick pad of Sergei Bobrovsky. Rask just tries a little move. Tries to change gears with his hands. Just quick release. Ryan Johansson.
He's got 2 game-deciding goals. He is 3 for 6, 50%. A chance to put the Jackets in front. Announced here, does not get too many cheers from the Carolina crowd. Johansson slows it down. Johansson waits. Johansson scores. On the backhand. What a move again. A patented move by number 19.
And watch this. Sorry, Jeff. It's about patience. Ryan Johansson leaves the puck on the forehand. Doesn't stick on it. Watch. Right there. Right here. Now it's on one part. Waits for the goalie to move. When the goalie moves and commits, he takes the puck and goes the other way. Kind of waits for the goaltender to open the door. Just confidence and patience in that move.
Jeff Skinner 0 for 4 this season. Skinner taking his time, weaves into the offensive zone, hangs on and fires. Bobrovsky the stop. The Jackets win a shootout victory, improving their shootout record to 5-3.